Hello kids, today we will see all the mathematical symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, equals to and not equals to with, with using examples of each symbol. So let's move. Plus, so plus sign is used to add two numbers. Like we want to add 2 and 5. So this is 7. You can also write it as 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Both are correct. So plus sign is used to add two numbers. Okay. This is minus. Minus sign is used to subtract numbers. So if we want to subtract 3 from the 6, so answer will be 3. Or you can write it as also 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. So minus sign is used to subtract a number. Okay, so here we subtract 3 from this 6, or here we subtract 3 from the 6. Okay, next is multiply. So this is used to multiply two numbers. Like I want to multiply 5 multiply by 2. So you have to multiply the table of 2 till 5. So like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You have to write the table of 2 and multiply it till 5. So answer will be 10. Okay. You can also write it as 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10. Both are correct. So this is multiply. Next is division. So division is used for divide the numbers. So if we divide 10 by 2, okay, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so this is called division, or you can write it as 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5, or you can also write it as 10 divided by 2 which is equals to 5. All are correct. Okay, so this symbol is useful for division, to divide the number. Equals to. So in equals to symbol we just compare the numbers that they are equal or not. If they are equal, we said they are equal. Okay, like 2 is only equals to 2. Okay, like we will 3 is only equals to 3. They are constant. If we take variable like a and b, if the value of a is 3 and b is also 3, so you can say that a is equals to b. Okay, let another example. If a is value of 5, a's value is 5 and b's value is also 5, so you can say that a is equals to b when both the variables have equal value. So they are equal, otherwise they are not equals. We will see not equals to in the next. So this is not equals to. So if the two variables don't have equal value, so they are not equals to. Like a, the value of a is 2 and the value of b is 3, so they are not equal. So you can say a is not equals to b. Okay, because the value of a and the value of b are not equals. So we are basically in equals to and not equals to, we have to compare the value of two variables. If they are equal, so then you will say they are both the variables are equal. If their values are not equals, and let's take another example. A b, a value of a is 5 and value of b is 7, so they are not equals. So you can see that A is not equals to B. Okay. Thank you so much, kids. If you like my videos, please subscribe it. And if you find that my videos are useful for you, so please like and subscribe, and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.